In a stunning fusion of vintage elegance and modern luxury, Airstream has unveiled a limited edition travel trailer that merges iconic American design with the legacy of a world-renowned architect. Introducing the Frank Lloyd Wright Usonian limited edition travel trailer, a rolling tribute to two legends of design, Frank Lloyd Wright and Wally Byam. Airstream, the brand synonymous with polished aluminum campers and cross-country adventure, has teamed up with the Frank Lloyd Wright Foundation to deliver a travel trailer that is not only a functional camping experience, but a piece of mobile architecture. And if the words limited edition already pique your interest, get ready to hear what makes this particular trailer stand out from the crowd. Inspired by Taliesin West, Wright's personal home and studio located in Scottsdale, Arizona, this trailer blends natural harmony with intelligent design. Taliesin West was more than just a residence, it was a philosophy in physical form. Now that same principle of blending into the environment while making a bold statement lives on in this ultra-premium travel trailer. What's truly unique here is the location of the sleeping area. Unlike traditional Airstreams, the Usonian trailer moves the primary sleeping quarters to the rear. Why? To allow the back hatch to open fully, meaning campers can sleep under the stars, with the breeze on their faces and nature in full view. Imagine lying on a king-sized bed with the entire landscape unfolding behind you. It's more than just luxury. It's an immersive camping experience designed to reconnect travelers with the outdoors. But that's not all. The king bed folds away to become two bench seats or twin beds, depending on your preferences. Whether you're enjoying solitude or sharing the space, flexibility is key. Meanwhile, at the front of the trailer, you'll find a sleek, minimalist living space that includes a dining table and a collapsible desk, both cleverly tucked into a wall cabinet. When it's time to turn in, a pull-out sofa converts the front into a second sleeping area. Another subtle yet brilliant touch? The addition of multiple windows and two circular portholes, nodding to Wright's fondness for geometric shapes and natural light. This creates a brighter, airier feel than your average trailer interior, less like a camper, more like a mobile loft. Of course, all of this design brilliance comes at a cost. With only 200 units planned, the Frank Lloyd Wright Usonian trailer is priced at a cool $184,900. For that price, you're not just buying a trailer, you're investing in a piece of American design history. This isn't the first time Airstream has collaborated with lifestyle brands. Remember the Pottery Barn edition from 2021? But this one stands apart. It's not just a branding exercise, it's a carefully crafted homage to two visionaries who reshaped how we live and travel. The Airstream x Frank Lloyd Wright trailer invites buyers to reimagine the road trip, not as a getaway, but as a luxurious architectural journey. So, is it worth nearly $185,000? For collectors, design aficionados, and lovers of the open road, it absolutely might be. Not only will you be turning heads at every stop, but you'll also be experiencing the great outdoors through the lens of two masters of form and function. In an era where camping is being redefined by glamping, this trailer is a shining silver beacon of how heritage, innovation, and nature can coexist beautifully. Whether it's the sweeping views through the open hatch or the intelligent space-saving features inside, this is not just a trailer. It's a mobile experience steeped in artistry. And with only 200 being produced, the Frank Lloyd Wright limited edition Airstream is destined to become one of the most sought-after symbols of American road culture.